Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, actually I made some oil paint like image the other day, and I want to try something more illustration type image this time. Well, I have this image, and also I made pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Used filter called Fine Edges. Use these two images to get something interesting, impressive image. Well, let's get started. Usually I do smudge these images, but this time I'm going to use this straight shot, even though this is 35mm reversal shot for a long time ago. So colors, it's been a kind of desaturated, or well, I'm going to make more saturation up and touch up some exposure, like lighten up her face or add some colors to it. Okay, I'm gonna use this pencil drawing type image first. Now turn it on, this, and I'm gonna change blend mode, multiply to color burn, linear burn, overlay, like nice sunny California sun's expression. Well, now I like this luminosity, not max, maybe go down to maybe 80% or so. Light pastel colors and a nice pencil drawing type we see, and shadow side has more touch bluer color in it. Well, I want to use this image, so what I'm gonna do is now make these two as a one base image. So this is group now, right? Okay, as a group, now duplicate this group, then I'm gonna flatten this image. Now rename base luminosity 80. Okay, now just leave this base image here, and then I see this pencil drawing type image. Go back to normal. 100% as a base group. So this is not new group. This is base group. And let's see, pencil drawing type. Turn it off. Then I'm going to see this. Well, let me see. Change the blend mode. What's going to happen? Well, okay. Now this was just normal. normal, max. Now I want to use this base luminosity 80 as a background, right? Let's see, make mask, or, well, this says I'm gonna break this one up. So I'm gonna move this pencil drawing type image, then turn on, change, darken. So we see more dark lines over this base image. Okay, break this base group. So I'm gonna move this image and delete this base group name. Group folder. I'm gonna add some colors. So I'm gonna add layer. This is for color, and I wanna see this normal image. So I'm gonna turn these off now. Then turn this one, tone down about 50. Then I'm gonna add color on layer 4. Like, let's see, I'm gonna make makeup. Use filter, airbrushing, soft blend, then change blend mode to color. Okay, let's see. From her eyes. See some colors. Just touch. Cheek. Add some colors on skin tones. Okay, now background. Give it a little more green saturation. Okay, the hair. Right, pretty much done. Now let's see. Add some touch blue or cast on shadow side. Yeah, it's nice. I like that. Okay, now we add this color here. Now I want to see this pencil drawing type. I'm going to tone down just a touch more. A little more tone down on this pencil drawing type on their hairs and stuff. So I'm going to make mask. Then hide with soft blend. Yeah, same soft blend brush. Okay, now let's see. This much? Not much, huh? Then also I'm gonna, I guess, get here too, right? So I'm gonna make mask, same thing. Then I'm gonna add some hide. Okay, I guess I'm getting this black dot from these two layers, so pretty nice colors. I like this. Yeah, I kind of like this. Well, no, it's so overall pastel light. So let's see if I can darken or contrast more. Which one is this? This is color. This is pencil drawing type. How about, well, let's see. Duplicate this base image, real base, not luminosity 80 base. Duplicate this layer, and I'm gonna move this one, go up all the way top. Now I'm gonna change this blend mode. It's 50. Oh, wait a minute. Let's turn this one off. Turn it off. Then let's see. This is 50% opacity. Okay. Let me go up then. Make it darker. Oh, let's go up. In this case though, because I didn't have much max opacity on this base image, well, we'll just leave it this one. Just leave it 50% base. Then I just duplicate this layer. Let me change, same 50%. Change this color burn overlay. Leave this effect and also add overlay. Maybe make it soft light, hard light. How about move? Okay, just leave it at 50% opacity. Then change the blend mode to vivid light. Then I'm gonna move this image down. Let's check it out. Yeah, just what I did is just duplicate this layer and change the vivid light, layer mode, blend mode. Then just add over this base image. Just leave the effect of these pencil drawing type. Well, let's see if I can. This pencil drawing type image. Now this is 80%, right? 80. This pencil drawing type, multiply. I want to make this, if I can go up, more darker lines, maybe 70. Okay, I'm gonna change this name. Well, pencil drawing. Yeah. Well, getting better, I think. Now I just want to almost done for this, but let me touch more. Since I changed the opacity here, so I touch up some mask. Maybe because of this vivid light, huh? Well, just leave it this way, and well, I'm gonna make canvas size a little bit bigger now. Make canvas, resize, give it a little bit border. Done. Okay. Yeah, this is a full frame shot, so I'm gonna add layer for paint Pandani. What's this? This one has texture. Well, let's see. I like warm gray. Okay, now I'm gonna touch up some using airbrushing, soft blend. Maybe using that drawing to Little Pine, a little bit hard. Let's see. I'm gonna clear this. Then I'm gonna choose evolve to white. Yeah, I like it this way. Well, let's see. This is the border. I just draw, paint. This is a color. Then this is pencil drawing. You see around here. Then this one is base I made with the pencil drawing. Change layer mode to luminosity. But now it's not luminosity, it's normal. 80% was it? No. Linear burn. 80%. Dark. Yeah, linear burn goes darker. Color burn lighten up, but linear burn 80%. So I gotta change. Well, okay, at last I decide to. Okay, I'm gonna change this name or just keep it this new base with luminosity 80. Huh? Yeah, okay. I changed name. New base with luminosity 80 before making this base. Now it's linear burn 50. That's the name. So I'm not gonna confuse. Okay, then I'm gonna delete this mask straight. Yep, that's it. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And well, you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.